Hello! In this video, we'll cover contact tags. The tagging feature allows you to apply descriptive words to a contact record in LeadCenter. Tags are like keywords, but non-hierarchical. You can assign as many tags as you like to a contact and easily rename or delete them later. Tags can be used in email campaigns, marketing campaigns, and for filtering reports, the sales dashboard, and the contact management dashboard. When I open any contact record, I can see tags in several places. First, tags are visible directly in the sales dashboard. If a contact is tagged, I can see the tag icon here, which displays the tags associated with that contact. When I open the contact page, any tags assigned to the contact will appear under the Stages section, and I can edit the tags directly from there. When I hover over a tag, I can see its name and the description assigned to it. If I scroll down, there's a dedicated section for tags where I can edit or add new tags for this contact. To manage all tags or create a new one, click on your name in the upper right corner, go to Settings, select Contact Management, and then click Tags. From the Tags page, you can view the full list of tags and search for specific ones. For example, if I search for tags starting with cold, they will appear in the results. To perform a search, I simply enter the tag I'm looking for, such as income, hit Enter, and the matching tag, like income writer quote, will appear in the results. To add a new tag, click Add Tag, and for each tag you can enter a name and a description. The description will appear when you hover over the tag. From this page, you can also add an existing tag. For example, if I want to modify a tag, I can do it from here. If you want to delete a tag, you can do so from this page. This is where you can manage all your tags. These tags can be used for contact filtering, sales pipeline filtering, reports, email marketing, and SMS marketing. Thank you for watching.